You searched how to buy shares of CVR Energy. CVR Energy operates petroleum refining and fertilizer facilities and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CVIUS. This quick tutorial is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CVIUS to find the company quickly. Select the listing that matches CVR Energy to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the security. Double-check the ticker CVIUS and the NASDAQ listing to make sure it is the right company. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is placed. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the platform example shown in this video.